JBL Tune Flex left earbud not working. Hello everyone, welcome to this video where I'm going to show you some of the methods that could help you to fix this issue. So if the left ear pod is silent, you need to please perform a new pairing with the right pod like shown in the quick start guide. You need to take them out of the charging case and click the center button on both the left and the right pod 3 times. Then you need to this forces a new pairing between the ports, and the left port should automatically pair with the right port from now on once you remove both ports from the charging case. If you are still cannot get the left ear to play, please perform a factory reset by placing both ports in the charging case while the charging case is charging. Now press the button on the right port and hold it for more than 5 seconds. You have now reset a factory settings. Please note, if you have performed a factory reset, you will need to remove the headphones or forget this device from any smartphone or the tablet they were once connected to. This will allow your device to now search for the newly restored headphones under the BT devices. The right port is the primary, which is connected to your source, usually a smartphone. The left port is a secondary, which connected to the right port. So this is how the JBL earbuds actually work. So you just have to follow these two instructions and you are going to fix this issue. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.